Okay. Hi, welcome to Miss T Ideas. And I want to open up this with you. Okay, I think the light is good. I had to start my video over, so welcome to my channel. And if you've been here with me, welcome back. I appreciate it. I'm just going to open up this Craft Buddy and see what it do. I got it from TEMU. It came in today. Let's see. This is a TEMU addition, I guess, to the to a name brand one. Y'all know what I'm talking about. This is for die cuts, and it's a manual one. I'm taking it out of this package. All right, got some plates right here. I ordered some die cut ones, and I thought some die cut ones was gonna come with it. Let's see what we got. This came in before the die cut stencils came in. It's called the Craft Buddy die cutting machine by using pressed method on paper or cards. Okay, a certain size to die cut design pattern. The pattern depends on different cutting plates. All right, let me see. I've never used one of these before, so it's going to be interesting to see what it does. Okay, this is plate A and plate. I say A right here. Okay, and plate B. A and B. Let me get some kind of paper that'll go through here. A cord, it says. This cord is too wide. Okay. What I'll do is, let's see if I can get another piece. I got some cords, but it's not the size. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's see if I can follow directions. All right. Preparing the cutter, set and a piece of colored paper. Okay. Put the colored paper on plate A. Okay. Here's some paper. It is colored. It got some little designs in it. Okay. There's a piece of paper I have. Okay. I put the paper on plate A. Put the blade on the color paper. Then put plate B on the blade. Okay, so what is called the blade? Okay, I got this. Put the paper on A. This is A. Okay, then, you see it? Then put the blade on the colored paper. What is the blade? They're showing, look like a little die cut thing. But I don't have, where's the box? Maybe I'm missing something. Let me see. Maybe I'm missing something. The blade? There's nothing left in the box. Okay, I don't have nothing. So, if I put, and it says put plate B on the blade. Okay, I have no idea what they're talking about. So this supposed to go through here? Is it? Is it? Or should I turn it around this way? I don't know. Is it going or am I pushing it? I don't think nothing's happening. Okay. There's nothing happening. Okay, it says the blade. What does that mean? Okay. It shows the machine. It shows the two plates, A and B. A and B. It shows this die cut here, which I don't have. Put the blade on the colored paper. I don't have a blade. And put plate B on the blade. Okay, I don't have a blade. Okay, so since I don't have a blade, preparing the embosser set and a piece of colored paper. Okay. Put the colored paper inside embosser. Okay. Put the embosser set on the plate. Put another plate B on the embosser set. So, okay. Press both sides entrances to open them. Fix the plate B embosser set in base plate B, then put into opening mouth until tightly fit. Hold the machine and rotate the rocker arm clockwise, making sure all plates pass through the machine. Okay. So, it's supposed to have, okay, this is a review of this. I got this from TEMU. I got this from TEMU. And it's asking me to do things, but I don't have what it takes to do what I'm supposed to be doing, apparently. So I'm letting you know that this, what I bought, only came with the plates, plate A, plate B. Whatever you're doing is supposed to have something in between here, apparently. That didn't come with it. So, instead of being like me, I'm thinking I'm reading the directions, and it's telling me to put stuff between here that I don't have. So, if you ordered this Craft Buddy, make sure, because it have them for different prices. And the price I paid for this, I should have something to go inside of here. So, there's nothing inside this Craft Buddy, but the machine is a manual machine, and the machine is nice. It's heavy. You know, I'm kind of impressed. It got the feet, you know, that'll make it stiff on there. But this is all I have with it. I can show you nothing that it can do because I don't have a sample of nothing to do. So apparently it die cuts and it emboss, but you have to have a pattern to do that. This side here is showing that you have to have a die cut. I don't have none. I have some coming in because I ordered some, but I didn't order them not thinking that I can't do anything. It didn't say order your stuff with it. So it didn't give me directions to make sure you have your stuff by the time this thing come in. I'm just saying. I'm not saying I'm unhappy with the product. And on the other side, it shows, okay, this side die cut. Okay. And it got pretty good directions. And this side is for embossing. So this little Crafty Buddy review, it's kind of heavy too. It has the plates only. This one here has the plates only. So you won't be stuck like me with I have nothing to show but the machine and the plates for the Craft Buddy. It do have pretty good directions. You know, sometimes we get things that don't have no directions. Sometimes this is not one of them. It have the way you operate manual, but it don't have nothing for me to use, and I have nothing to use to show you because first time buying it, first time using something like this, you know. Okay, that's all it came with, y'all. So you won't be caught up like me. This is Miss T Ideas. Hey, if you like what you saw, please like and subscribe to my channel because I do junk journaling, art journal, glue booking, crafts. You can refer to some of my videos that I have. And I'm going to keep it 100. Miss T Ideas, thank you for watching and see you next time on the next video. Bye.